Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. It's history period. Take out your books. Take out your history books. Keep a pencil in your hand. Okay. Yesterday we had learned lesson number 3, effects of the British rule. Okay. कल हमने ये lesson पढ़ा. Now we are going to solve the question answers given on page number 14. Now let's start. Okay. Exercise page number 14. Keep a pencil in your hand. Keep a pencil in your hand. Portuguese. Rewrite the statement. So by choosing appropriate options, rewrite the statement by choosing the appropriate options. Portuguese dash French British participated in the competition of capturing Indian market. Dutch. What is the answer? Dutch. Okay, tick mark. In 1802, Peshwa Bajirao II. What is the answer? Bajirao II. Peshwa Bajirao II signed a subsidiary alliance with the British. Okay. Then Jamshedji Tata started the manufacturing of steel at Tata Iron and Steel Company, steel industry established in Jamshedpur. What is the answer? Jamshedpur. Okay. Now explain the following concept. Civil services. Civil services. For civil services, go to on page number 11. We will get the answer there. No, civil services. Explain the following concept. Concept explain करना है. किसके बारे में हमें लिखना है? Civil services के बारे में. Okay. Civil services. See, go to page number 11. See the paragraph of civil services. Okay. To strengthen the British rule in India, there was a need of bureaucrats. Lord Cornwallis introduced bureaucracy. Civil services become an important part of British government. यहाँ तक पहले लिखना. Mark up to this. Okay, 2 से लेके British government तक. And then for the convenience of administration, he divided the British occupied territories into districts. This is the second sentence. And turn page number 12 में ऊपर देखो. The officers were appointed through competitive examinations known as Indian Civil Services. बस you have to note down these 3 sentences. 4 sentences. पहला सिविल सर्विस में है टू स्ट्रेंथन से लेके ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट तक, अप टू ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. देन सेकंड सेंटेंस जो है वो सेकंड पैराग्राफ में है. थर्ड सेंटेंस सेकंड पैराग्राफ में है फॉर द कन्वीनियंस ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से लेके डिस्ट्रिक्ट तक. और देन टर्न द पेज एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. द ऑफिसर्स वेयर अपॉइंटेड थ्रू कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस नोन एज इंडियन सिविल सर्विसेज. नोट डाउन दिस सेंटेंस ऑल्सो. ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट आंसर. ओके. एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग कंसेप्ट सिविल सर्विसेज. ओके. देन सेकंड कमर्शियलाइजेशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. Commercialization of agriculture, page number 13. Page number 13. हाँ, commercialization of agriculture ऊपर ही लिखा हुआ है. देखो, see, page number 13. Commercialization of agriculture. Note down complete para. Note down complete para. आपको पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखना है. Is it clear? Note down complete paragraph. Commercialization of एग्रीकल्चर. कमर्शियलाइजेशन मीन्स व्हाट? व्यापारीकरण. किसका? एग्रीकल्चर का. मीन्स द प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज टू मार्केट. दैट इज कमर्शियलाइजेशन. देन इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी ऑफ ब्रिटिश. इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी ऑफ ब्रिटिश, इसका जो आंसर है आई ऑलरेडी सेंट इन द ग्रुप. मैंने इसका आंसर ग्रुप में भेजा है. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स विथ रीजंस. एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स विथ रीजन. फार्मर्स इन इंडिया बिकेम बैंकरप्ट. फार्मर्स इन इंडिया बिकेम बैंकरप्ट. गो टू पेज नंबर 12. पेज नंबर 12. हाँ, सी लैंड रेवेन्यू पॉलिसी का जो पैराग्राफ है ना, वो पैराग्राफ देखना. लैंड रेवेन्यू पॉलिसी, पेज नंबर 12. लैंड रेवेन्यू पॉलिसी सेकंड पैराग्राफ में सॉरी हाँ सेकंड पैराग्राफ में 1 2 3 4th लाइन. Second paragraph, fourth line, payment of tax was made compulsory in the form of cash if the farmer failed to pay tax in time, when then his land would be confiscated. यहाँ तक लिखना है, पेमेंट से लेके कॉन्फिस्केटेड तक लिखना है. ओके, एंड उसके बाद में कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ न्यू लैंड रेवेन्यू में आना है. एंड नोट डाउन from second sentence, for payment of taxes, Indian farmers started selling the crops at whatever price it received. Okay, the merchants and brokers started purchasing their goods at minimum rate. At certain times, the farmer had to mortgage his land to the money lender for arrangement of money to pay the tax. Farmer becomes bankrupt. Is it clear? This is the answer of the 3.1. 3.1 का आंसर है फार्मर्स इन इंडिया बिकेम बैंकरप्ट. क्यों बैंकरप्ट हुए थे उसके लिए. ओके, गो टू पेज नंबर 12, गो टू लैंड रेवेन्यू पॉलिसी, गो टू सेकंड पैरा ऑफ लैंड रेवेन्यू पॉलिसी, फोर्थ लाइन पेमेंट से लेके कॉन्फिस्केटेड तक लिखना. उसके बाद में नीचे वाले पैराग्राफ में आना, कॉन्सिक्वेंस का जो पैराग्राफ है वो, उसमें सेकंड सेंटेंस से फॉर पेमेंट ऑफ टैक्सेस से लेके फार्मर बिकेम बैंकरप्ट, farmer became bankrupt तक लिखना है. Mark it. Okay. Now next. There was decline of traditional industries in India. There was decline of traditional industries in India. See, page number 13. Page number 13. Page number 13. See, right side of page number 13. Decline of traditional industries in India. See that paragraph. And you will get the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. See the 5th line. The goods manufactured in England were machine made, and hence there was maximum production of minimum cost. Okay. To compete with such cheap products was difficult for the Indian artisans. Artisans यानी कारागिर. Eventually, it led to closing down of traditional industries, and many artisans became unemployed. Unemployed means jobless, not having paid job. Okay, up to unemployed, you have to write the answer. Clear? Go to page number 13. Right side of the page, decline of traditional industries in India, and वहां पर जाके 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th line में जाना. The goods manufactured से लेके complete paragraph लिखना है. That is the answer of the 3.2. Now complete the following table. Complete the following table. Person, verb. Lord Cornwallis introduced civil services in India. Lord Cornwallis ने क्या किया? Introduce civil services in India. Okay. Now, then next, pass Sati Prohibition Act. Sati Prohibition Act. Lord William Bentinck. सही सती प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट, सती पद्धति जो थी वो बंद की किसने बंद की? लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक ने. Then Lord Dalhousie rejected adoption policy and annexed Indian states. Lord Dalhousie ने क्या किया? Rejected adoption policy. Adoption policy को reject नामंजूर कर दिया. यानी अडॉप्ट करना यानी क्या? दत्तक लेना. दत्तक विधान जो था वो नामंजूर कर दिया, और जो छोटे छोटे जो राज्य थे जहाँ पे ये दत्तक पुत्र राज्य कर रहा था वो सारे अपने राज्य में जोड़ दिए. And annex Indian states. And then will establish Asiatic Society of Bengal, William Jones. Asiatic Society of Bengal कौन है? William Jones. Okay, जो answers है, now I am going to write down the names. Means वो जो answers है वो मैं लिख के दे रही हूँ on the blackboard. Okay, note down. Lord Cornwallis है ना, ये है person, ये है what, ठीक है, person and what, make two columns. Then Lord Cornwallis कितने दिया ही है? Lord Cornwallis already given in your book. Lord Cornwallis introduced the civil services in India. Now next है पास सती प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट। पास सती प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी लिखा है पास सती प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट, हमने लिखा है लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक। लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक Lord William Bentinck. Then third one already given Lord Dalhousie. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है Lord Dalhousie. D for Dalhousie. And we have to write answer. We have to write answer. Rejected adoption policy and annex Indian state. Rejected adoption policy and annex Indian state. And what is the last one? What is the last one? Elizabeth Asiatic Society of Bengal. No? Establish Asiatic Society of Bengal. Establish Asiatic Society of Bengal. William Jones. William Jones. Okay. Take a screenshot and note down in your copy. Take a screenshot and note down in your history copy. Okay. This is the answer. This is your answer. Now, next. Here our exercise over. Here our exercise is over. Now let us look. Take a look. Let us revise this lesson. And tomorrow, in the next period, I will teach you civics. Okay. In the next period, I will teach you civics. But now let us revise the lesson in short. Number one, in this chapter, we are going to study the effects of British rule over India. Establishment, we had learned about the establishment of East India Company. Okay, East India Company की स्थापना किस तरह हुई? Then we had seen British and Marathas. Okay, British and Marathas. Then subsidiary alliance के बारे में हमने पढ़ा, right? Then we had studied about Chhatrapati Pratap Singh. Okay, Chhatrapati Pratap Singh. And then next, effects of British rule in India. Effects of British rule in India. Then parliamentary laws. Okay, civil services. Then military and police force, judicial system. Right? Judicial system, and then merits and demerits in judicial system. Okay. And then economic policies of the British. Economic policies of the British. Then land revenue policy. That is land revenue policy. Okay. And then we have studied about policy in the British period. Policy in the British period. Then effects or consequences of the land revenue system. Then commercialization of agriculture. Famines. Developments in transport and communication system. Decline of traditional industries. उसके बाद में डेवलपमेंट ऑफ न्यू इंडस्ट्रीज इन इंडिया एंड सोशल एंड कल्चरल इफेक्ट्स, laws for reformation and educational reforms, right? Educational, we have studied about the educational reforms. Okay, fine. Now note down your homework. Note down your homework. Your homework is that I sent already in the group a chart. Okay, you have to finish it. Note down answer. Note down that chart in your copy. Okay, and also answer in short, answer in one sentence. Okay, answer in one sentence जो है ना वो भी मैंने I will send it today. I will send it today. Answer in one sentence. Okay, answer in one sentence, and that is your homework. How were the officers in administrative services appointed? But now I explain all the answers of answer in one sentence. अभी मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ और फिर बाद में यही क्वेश्चंस आपको एज ए होमवर्क भेजने वाली हूँ. ठीक है, अभी जो क्वेश्चन मैं आपको भेजने वाली ग्रुप में अभी उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करते हैं. राइट, how were the officers in administrative services appointed? The officers of the administrative services were appointed through competitive examinations known as Indian Civil Services. Okay, officers किस तरह से अपॉइंट किए जाते थे? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर्स को सिविल सर्विस की ICS की एग्जाम लेने के बाद. Which principle was introduced by the British in the administration of justice? कौन सा प्रिंसिपल इंट्रोड्यूस किया ब्रिटिश ने? The British introduced the principle of equality before the law. कौन सा principle? Equality before the law in the administration of justice all over British India. Which factors hindered the growth of new industries in India? The growth of new industries in India was hindered by the lack of British support, capital, and experience of management. Okay. Hindered means what? Hindered means obstacle. अड़थड़ा. Okay. न्यू इंडस्ट्रीज जो है उसकी ग्रोथ के लिए कौन सी बातों का हिंड्रेंस ऑब्स्टेकल था? द ग्रोथ ऑफ न्यू इंडस्ट्रीज इन इंडिया वाज हिंडर्ड बाय द लैक ऑफ ब्रिटिश सपोर्ट, कैपिटल एंड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है. व्हिच कैश क्रॉप्स वर एनकरेज बाय द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट? ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने प्रॉफिट के लिए कौन से कैश क्रॉप्स को एनकरेज किया, प्रोत्साहन दिया? कौन से कैश क्रॉप लेने के लिए? द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट गिव मोर एनकरेजमेंट टू कैश क्रॉप्स लाइक कॉटन, इंडिगो, टोबैको, टी एक्सेट्रा. ओके. वेयर वेयर द यूनिवर्सिटीज एस्टैब्लिश इन इंडिया? कहाँ पर यूनिवर्सिटी एस्टैब्लिश हुई इंडिया में? इन 1857 में मुंबई, कोलकाता एंड मद्रास. ओके, मुंबई, कोलकाता एंड मद्रास. देन व्हाट वाज द इफेक्ट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मॉडर्न मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन? The development of modern means of transport and communication help to improve communication between the people and strengthen their senses of unity between Indians. Okay. And last question, which values shaped the new era in the 19th century Europe? The new era in the 19th century Europe was shaped on the values humanitarianism, democracy, nationalism, and liberalism. Okay. Here, answering one sentence question is finished. I will send all these questions today in the group, and you have to write the answers of these questions. Okay, we have already now we just discuss the answers of this question so that it will get easy to you to note down answers. Okay, if you need, you can take the help of textbook for it. Okay, fine. Now period is over. Take care. In the next period, we will learn about civics lesson number 1. Okay? Bye bye. Take care.